Hello everyone, I am Angry Bird. We are connected on Gate.io. Today I have a new project, ERA Gate X Caldera, ERA Launch, ERA Ecosystem Week featuring Candy Drop, VIP, Bounty Drop, Alpha and Simple Earn events. Gate will list ERA for spot and futures trading on 17 July 2025 to reward our users. Candy Drop, VIP, Bounty Drop, Alpha, and Simple Earn will launch Caldera era according to the timeline below. Join now to experience it. And here is the Candy Drop Gate Airdrops reward platform has teamed up with Caldera Era for an ecosystem week event launch of Candy Drop episode 50 Candy Drop X Caldera Era trade to share in a 571,429 era super airdrop. This event runs from July 17, 2025 at 15:40 to July 27, 2025 at 16 UTC. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now. Now Alpha listed ERA trade to share 142,857 ERA airdrops event period 18 July 2025 to 22 July 2025. Here is the simple earn. Gate will Get Simple Earn will launch an ERA 7-day fixed term product on July 18, 2025, offering a 500% APR. Only 1,400,000 ERA available. First come, first served. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now. And now here is the Bounty Drop Gate Wallet. Bounty Drop is a one-stop hub that gathers the most popular airdrop projects, offering users a fast-track entry into interactive tasks. New airdrop launch Caldera Era Share 142,857 Era event period 18 July 2025 to 17 August 2025. Here is the VIP. The VIP exclusive trading competition is about to kick off. In the first phase, grab a share of massive 40,000 USDT prize pool. An ultra generous ERA token lottery prize pool awaits your share. Claim the ranks now and reach the peak of honor. Event period TBD. Here is the project introduction. Caldera is the Internet of Rollups, a platform that making crypto faster, cheaper, and more interconnected than ever before. Imagine a world of infinite blockchains connected seamlessly where you can move, access, trade, and interact with apps across chains without friction. That's the future Caldera is building. Caldera ecosystem secures 400 million plus USDT in total value and has processed 850 million plus transactions across 25 million plus unique addresses, surpassing even leading L2S like Secros and ZKS. Since in terms of unique addresses, this growth underscores Caldera's ability to handle real-world demand while maintaining reliability and efficiency. And the notes is also here. There may be discrepancies between these original content in English and any translated versions. Please refer to the original English version for the most accurate information. In case any discrepancies arises, GATE team 17 July 2025. Here is the gateway to crypto trade. Over 3,600 cryptocurrencies safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action now. Sign up and claim up to 10,000 USDT in welcome rewards and invite friends and earn a 40% commission. Stay connected. Visit Gate official website. Download the Gate app desktop. Follow us on Twitter to get more bonus. Join our Telegram community to discuss trending topics. Engage with our global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Check our 100% proof of reserves. And now, here is the era ongoing. Caldera is the internet of roll-ups platforms that making crypto faster, cheaper, and more interconnected than ever before. Here is the total prize pool of era 571,429 and the participants is 13,830. The event ends in 8 days, 10 hours, 25 minutes and 1 second. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now. The registration open the registration opens 17/7/2025 at 2040 and event ends in 27/7/2025 at 21. And here is the complete task to share 571 for 29 era prize pool. First future trade pool 100,000 era, the total token 100,000 era, the individual share limit is 200 era, and the prize pool has been claimed. Please check the ESG share on the page to see if you have won and the login and participate. Complete task, and here is the era first trade task. During the period, user with the first trading volume of 10,000 USDT era will receive prize claim 200 era. And here is the activity rules. Complete the above futures trading task will receive a fixed reward of 200 era per person. The total prize pool is 100,000 era. Rewards are distributed on a first come first served basis and will be issued after the event. And here is the futures trading to share 170 7,143 era and the total tokens is 157,143 era. The individual share limit is 300 era and complete task and share prize pool. Login and participate and complete task. The entire 1 era futures trading mission 30,000 USDT over 1 candy. Entire 2 era futures trading mission 50,000 USDT over 3 candies. Tier 3 era futures trading mission 80,000 USDT or 5 candies. Here is claim up to 300 era. Rewards will be distributed on 14/8/2025 at 21. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Here is the activity rules during the event. Users with cumulative futures trading volume 30,000 USDT ERA can receive candies up to a maximum of 9 candies and share in the 157,143 ERA prize pool. Future trading volume is equal to open interest plus close interest. Here is the spot trading to share 157,143 ERA. Total tokens is also 157,143 ERA, and the individual share limit is 300 ERA. And here is the complete task and share price pool. Login and participate. Complete task. Tier 1 ERA spot trading task 5,000 USDT over 1 candy. Tier 2 ERA spot trading task 7,000 USDT over 3 candies. Tier 3 ERA spot trading task 10,000 USDT or 5 candies. Claim up to 300 ERA rewards will be distributed on 14/8/2025. At 21, the actual arrival time shall prevail. Here is the activity rules. During the event, users achieving 5,000 USDT in ERA spot trading volume, sum of opening plus closing positions can earn up to 9 candies from the 157,143 ERA reward pool. And here is the now alpha trading share. The total token 157,143 ERA and the individual share limit is 300 ERA. Complete task and share prize pool. Login and participate. Complete task. Task 1 alpha trading task or 1 candy. Task 2 alpha trading task or 2 candies, and claim up to 300 ERA. Rewards will be distributed on 14/8/2025 at 21. The actual arrival time shall prevail. Here is the activity rules during the event. Users who trade ERA tokens on Gate Alpha with a trading volume 200 USDT will receive candies. Different candy rewards are unlocked based on the tier reached with a maximum of 3 candies. Sharing a prize pool of 157,143 ERA. Alpha trading volume is equal to alpha buy volume plus alpha sell volume. And here is the FAQ. The first one is, what are the requirements to participate in Candy Drop? Users participating in Candy Drop are required to complete identity verification and click the join button on event page. Only after successfully joining will their activity data be counted. Market makers, enterprises, and institutions are not eligible to participate in this event. The next one is, when will candies be distributed after completing tasks? Candy will be distributed within 1 to 3 hours after user complete task. Please log in and check the candies obtained from Candy Drop after 3 hours. The next is, what are the first spot and first futures trading tasks? Users who never conducted any spot or futures trading after joining Gate can claim these tasks by making their first spot futures trade of the specified token and reaching the cumulative trading volume requirement during the event period. Users can complete the task and receive event rewards. Now here is the terms and conditions. Participants must click the join button on the event page after successfully joining the event. Complete the event task and identity verification to receive the rewards. Rewards will be distributed within 14 business days after the event concludes. Total event rewards are 571,000 for 29 era bulk registration of multiple account, malicious volume manipulation, wash trading, self-dealing or other cheating behaviors are strictly prohibited. Multiple accounts verified under the same user identity will be considered a single account. Sub-accounts are not eligible for participation. Market makers, business and institutions are not eligible for this event. Affiliate accounts cannot join referral activities but can participate in all other events without restriction. In case of any discrepancies between translated versions and the English version shall prevail, and the next is Gate reserves the final right of interpretation for this event, and the next is users from restricted regions. Please refer to the user agreement, and here is the risk warning. The risk warning: user must bear in mind the cryptocurrency trading is affected by multiple factors such as market dynamics and regulatory policies. Market prices are highly volatile and unpredictable. Please pay close attention to market risk and trade cautiously. And now here is the next one: the Internet of Chains. Calidra is a network of interconnected, purpose-built blockchains settling on Ethereum. Here is the Explorer chain, the most powerful multi-chain ecosystem, and here is the total value locked: 1 billion plus, the total transaction 550 million, the unique wallets 17 million, Caldera chain 75 plus, Caldera chain, and more is more of go horizontal. The roll-up engine for massive apps. With the roll-up engine, apps and communities build their own fully customizable chain on Calidra, ready for massive scale. And here is the connected to the world via meta layer. Connected your Caldera roll up to constellation of chains with meta layer. Assess shared liquidity, enable cross chain interaction, and reach user across the entire Caldera ecosystem and beyond. Here is the bringing the world on chain. Web 3 build Web 3 games that scale effortlessly on Caldera. Give players ultra low fee, seamless performance, and the freedom to move assets across chains in seconds with the meta layer, all secured by Ethereum. Focus on fun, not friction. And here is the gaming. enable zero fee gameplay and instant cross chain assets transfer. And here is the news. Space-time integrates with Microsoft Fabric. Case study solo the Info4E flywheel for roll-ups. And here is the join the Calidra community and sign up to be the first share about our ecosystem and product backed by the best. And here is the Calidra is the fastest growing roll-up ecosystem on Ethereum. The next is here is the official website of Calidra, the Internet of Rollups, and here is the all the posts are here on this website of Calidra. The posts and the pictures are uploaded on this website. Here is the official website of Calidra. Now here is the simple earn principal protected flexible term compound interest. Total lending 2.37 billion USDT. Estimated APR is 11 percentage bonus. And now here is the about to simple earn. Click on it and about to simple earn. And about to simple earn. Next we have here is the market. And USDT stocking estimated APR 11.00%. The terms and days are flexible. Here is the BTC hedge or capital BTC 21.95%. BTC stocking 3.09%, 5.99% flexible fixed. And here is the Ethereum 7.08% flexible fixed. GT stocking 6.68%, 5.08% flexible. And here is the ERA 500.00% flexible fixed. And here is the in 150.00% flexible fixed. Zeta 32.0% flexible fixed. And now here is how to profit from simple earn. Create a lending offer. Initiate the process to lend out your idle funds, and the successful matching system matches your lending offer with borrowing need in the market. The third one, compound internet. Earn compound interest after compound interest. Earn compound interest after your assets are brought successfully. And here is the FAQ. The first one is what is simple earn? Through Get Simple Earn, you can profit from more than 800 cryptocurrencies and unleash the potential of your investment portfolios. You Especially, you can subscribe to flexible term or fixed term products to earn returns with crypto assets. And the next question we have, how is the interest of simple earn flexible term calculated and distributed? Your subscription to Get Simple Earn flexible term will work as working capital for loan business. On the platform, the system will lend your funds to other users, and interest generated will be distributed to you as the annualized return of your subscription. If your assets are borrowed at T o'clock, you will receive the interest earned during the following hour at T plus 1. However, if you redeem You are assessed before T plus 1. T plus 1, you will not receive any interest for the past hour, and interest received every hour will be invested automatically to earn compound interest. You can redeem both principal and interest at redemption, and here is the current estimated APR is the lowest APR at which simple earn funds can be successfully matched for lending and earning returns. It's calculated based on historical data and current market borrowing demands. The next one question: how is the interest of simple earn fixed term calculated and distributed? After successful subscription, interest will be calculated at the APR at the same time of subscription throughout the term and start to assure at 00 UTC plus 0 the next day. Both the interest and the principal will be credited to your spot accounts or unified accounts after the order reaches maturity. The next one question: how to redeem simple earn flexible term allows for real time redemption. However, if we are processing too many redemption requests, there may be delay in assessed arrival. Please wait patiently after submitting the request, and interest will keep accruing during the waiting period. Simple earn fixed term allows for flexible redemption before the order reaches maturity. However, early redemption will result in the loss of all accrued interest. The principal will be returned to your spot accounts or unified account upon submitting the redemption request. And the next one is guide to simple earn course. This course will help you master the basic of Get Simple Earn, including its features and profit models. After learning this course, you will be able to set the parameters to simple earn rationally according to your own needs and market expectations, grow your crypto assets, and maximize capital efficiency. Got to learn. And the next one we have Gate Launch Pool FAQ. The first question is: what is Gate Launch Pool? What is Gate Launch Pool? Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where users can stock GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Here is the join button. Click on it and join now. And the second one question is: how can I participate in Gate Launch Pool? First, log in to your Gate account and navigate to the Gate Launch Pool page. Then choose the project you want to participate in and stock assess, check the participation guide. And the next one, which coins is can I stock in Gate Launch Pool? The token eligible for participation and will be announced on the mining page of each project. Please visit the corresponding page of Gate Launch Pool to view more details. The next one is how many tokens will be rewarded. Early stocking rewards is equal to individual latest 1 hour valid stocking amount, total pool stocking amount, multiply hourly reward pool. The next is the platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and take the average stocking amount as the valid stocking amount or and take average stocking amount as the valid stocking amounts. Here is the next, how are rewards distributed. The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts. Hourly and token rewards are distributed to eligible users. Hourly earnings will be distributed into users' spot accounts. And the next is, when will the stocked assets be redeemed? After the user redeems in advance or the stocking is completed, the stocked assets will be transferred to Simple Earn by default. If this option is unchecked, the stocked assets will be redeemed into the spot assets if the amount of redeemed assets is too small and does not meet the minimum claim amount of Simple Earn. The assessed will be automatically transferred to spot assessed. And here is the next, if Simple Earn does not support the claim of the redeemed token, the assessed will also be automatically transferred to spot assessed. And here is the next, can I redeem my stocked assessed at any time? The platform will take multiple snapshots of personal stocking amounts each hour and calculate the valid stocking amount. However, early redemption may result in the loss of accrued rewards. Please maintain stable stocking amounts to ensure mining rewards. And here is the next, can I add additional stocked assets? You can increase your stocked assets at any time. The more tokens you stock, the greater your potential mining rewards. However, once the reward cap is reached, you will no longer receive stocking rewards. And the next question we have, can I participate in multiple projects at the same time? When there are multiple launch pool projects ongoing on at the same time, you can stock in different pools to receive new token mining rewards for multiple projects. Each stocking pool needs to be stocked separately. If you only stock assets in pool A, you will not be able to obtain rewards from pool B. You can stock pool A and pool B separately to obtain the corresponding mining rewards of new tokens. And here is the next question we have, what is the maximum mining rewards I can receive? The hourly reward cap, hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stocking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. The next question we have: what is the maximum mining reward I can receive? The early hard cap, the early reward hard cap per user for each project is different. Once the cap is reached, no further stocking rewards will be granted. Please refer to the relevant announcement or the mining page for the reward hard cap limit for each project. And the next is: will stocking assessed in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No assets stocked in the gate launch pool will be included in the assessed holdings calculation for hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. The next one is: will stocking assessed in the gate launch pool impact my VIP level? No assets stocked in the gate launch pool will be included in the assessed holdings calculation for hodler airdrop launchpad and VIP privilege. The next is: what will happen to my funds if the project is ended early? In case of early ending, your stocked principal will be automatically redeemed as soon as the project is ended, and your last interest will be distributed on the hour after the end time. The interest distribution before the ending will not be affected. And here is the about annual percentage rate APR. When the reward coin is the stocked coin, APR is equal to total reward released in the last hour's total stocked, multiply 365, multiply 24, multiply 100 percentage. And here is the next: when the reward coin is not the stocked coin, APR is equal to total reward released and in the last hour multiply closing price of the rewards coin of the last hour's total stock, multiply closing price of the stock coin of the last hour, multiply 365, multiply 24, multiply 100 percentage. The APR is an estimate and for reference only. The actual analyzed return you finally receive shall prevail. APR data is updated hourly. And the next one is: how to participate in Gate Launch Pool. A Gate Launch Pool is an innovative stocking and airdrop platform where users can stock GT, BTC, Ethereum, USDT, or other tokens to earn early airdrops of hot and new coins with low entry barriers and high APR. It is the ultimate platform for effortlessly capturing market opportunities. Click on it and stock to earn now. The next is: how to join Gate Launch Pool and stock to earn. Log in to your Gate account and navigate Launch Pool app home. launch pool web. Click earn launch pool. Choose the stocking pool you want to join. Click stock, enter the stocking amount. Click confirm and complete stocking. View reward in reward history. After successful stocking, here is the snapshots. Click launch pool, then the second choose the stocking pool. Click participate. Enter the stocking amount and click confirm, then view rewards in reward history. Here is the how to stock to earn. Click earn launch pool. Uh, Choose the stocking pool. Click stock and enter the stocking amount. Click confirm, then view the reward history. Then view the rewards in reward history, and here is the launch pool. Quick stocking and potential new tokens stocked 325.1 million USDT, or the fundraise 31.21 billion USDT, and the participants is 5.84 million plus participants. Estimated total reward is 541.7k USDT. Here is the ongoing or upcoming pools. The first one is Taker. Total rewards 2,400,000 Taker. The stocking period is 10 days. The end time is 9 days, 3 hours 50 minutes and 5 seconds. Here is the GT pool reward. Taker 2 million and APR 5.7 percentage. The total stock is 3,890.63 GT, and here is the individual stocking cap. VIP 2000 GT. The taker pool is 400,000 reward taker, and APR is 334.33%. The total stock 642,851.79 taker, and the individual stocking cap is 150,000 taker. Click on it and participate now. And here is the Hodler airdrop FAQ about Hodler airdrop. The first question we have: what is the Hodler airdrop? Hodler airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for GT Gate token holders. Users only need to hold a certain amount of GT to share airdrop tokens based on their holdings and proportions. The second one question we have: what are the requirements to participate in the Hodler airdrop? Participants must complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT. The next question we have: what is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project, and the specific limit will be clearly stated in each project airdrop announcement. The next question we have: what are the requirements to participate in the Hodler airdrop? Participants must complete identity verification and hold at least 1 GT. The next question we have: what is the GT holding participation limit? The GT holding participation limit may vary for each project. The specific limit will be clearly stated in each project airdrop announcement. And the next is, how are airdrop tokens distributed? Once you participate in the event, the system will begin tracking your GT holdings from the start of the project. It will take multiple random snapshots every hour and calculate the hourly average. Your final reward depends on your average holdings throughout the entire event. If your average holdings are below 1 GT, you will not eligible for any rewards. The number of tokens a user ultimately receives is equal to users average hourly holdings during the event. All participants total average hourly holdings during the event multiply total airdrop amount. And the next question we have, can I participate in multiple hodler airdrops? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project snapshot time ends and meet the participation requirements. You can maintain. Okay, here is the next, can I participate in multiple hodler airdrop? Yes, as long as you hold enough GT at each project's snapshot time and meet the participation requirement, you can participate in multiple hodler airdrops. And the next question we have, will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? Users holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least 1 GT at the snapshot time. The next question is, how can I check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime under Earn Hodler Airdrop History. The next question we have, will I definitely receive tokens if I participate? Users holding at least 1 GT can 100% receive the airdrop provided they maintain at least 1 GT and at the snapshot time. The next question we have, how can I check my airdrop tokens? Rewards will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime under Earn Hodler Airdrop History. The next question we have, how can I check my airdrop tokens? How can I check my airdrop tokens? The reward will be calculated and distributed within 1 hour after the project ends. You can check them anytime. And here is the anytime Earn Hodler airdrop history. The next one is, what should I do if I have not received my airdrop tokens? If you did not receive airdrop tokens, please first check if you meet the participation criteria and confirm your GT holdings at the snapshot time. If the issue persists, Please then contact customer supports. And here is the next: how to participate in Hodler Airdrop. Hodler Airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for users holding GT and Gate token. Users only need to hold no less than 1 GT to claim free airdrops. The more GT holdings, the more airdrops rewards. Here is the join button. To claim free airdrop, click on it and claim the free airdrop. And the next is how to join Gate Hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop. Log in to your Gate account and navigate to Hodler airdrop app. Click earn Hodler airdrop. Web, click earn Hodler airdrop. Select the in progress project and click participate now to participate. Participation results can be viewed in the airdrop records or the project claim page. Here is the next snapshots are here. How to claim free airdrop at Hodler airdrop. First one snapshot, click earn, then click Hodler airdrop, then click claim for free. Subscribed successfully. And the next snapshots is how to claim free airdrop. Go to earn Hodler airdrop, then select projects and click claim for free. Okay, and click claim for free. And the next is how to participate in Gate Hodler airdrop. Hodler Airdrop is an exclusive free airdrop event for users holding GT Gate token. Users only need to hold no less than 1 GT to claim free airdrops. The more GT holdings, the more airdrop rewards. Click on it and claim free airdrops. Here is the free claim airdrop button. Click on it and claim free airdrop. Then next question: how to join Gate Hodler airdrop and claim free airdrop. Log in to your Gate account and navigate to Hodler airdrop app. Click earn Hodler airdrop, then web, click earn Hodler airdrop, then select the in progress project and click participate now to participate. Then participation results can be viewed in the airdrop records or the project claim page. The snapshots are here. How to claim free airdrop at Hodler airdrop. First one is click earn. The second is first one click earn, then second click Hodler airdrop, then click earn and claim for free. Okay, claim for free. And here is the subscribe successfully. And now here is the how to claim free airdrop. Go to earn Hodler airdrop, and the next is select projects and click select projects and click claim for free. Here is the next Hodler airdrop. Select the projects and claim for free. Now the next one is here is the referral earn voucher. Invite to earn 20 USDT plus 5 USDT for your friend and super commission. Earn up to 40% commission on every trade. Get to earn, explore more, and unlock up to 500 USDT rewards. And here is the invite friends and earn up to 40% commission. Earn together as your friend trade. The rules and invite button is also here. Invite now, and I also tell you the commission ratio. Firstly, here is the rules. Invite friends to sign up on Gate using your referral code or link. Then when a referee conducts a spot, alpha futures, or margin trade, a certain percentage of the trading fee generated will become a commission reward, and the commission period lasts for 1 year. Valid invitations from community sharing will also earn your commissions. When a referee conducts a spot, alpha futures, or margin trade, a certain percentage of the trading fee generated will become a commission rewards, and the commission period lasts for 1 year, and valid invitation for the community. The valid invitation from community sharing will also earn you commissions. Then the second, referral data will be updated within 24 hours after a successful invitation. And first is the invite friends to sign up on Gate using your referral code or link. Here is the rules. Keep it in mind. It is very important and helpful. The rules. The first one is invite friends to sign up on Gate using your referral code or link. When a referee conducts a sport, alpha futures, or margin trade, a certain percentage of the trading fee generated will become a commission rewards, and the commission period lasts for 1 year. Valid invitation from the community sharing will also earn you commission. And here is the referral data. Referral data will be updated within 24 hours after a successful invitation. And the next is each user can only sign up through one invitation method. Invites via super commission are not eligible for rewards from other events. And the next one is the referral program is not available to users from Belgium, the United Kingdom, and the France, Germany, the Netherlands, the Turkey, Austria, and South Korea. Gate reserves the final right the interpret the rules, and the rules is very important. Here is the invite button. Click on it and invite now. Invite friends and earn up to 40% commission, and 40% commission. Then earn together as your friend trade. Rules is also here, and the rules is invite friends to sign up and sign up on Gate using your referral code or link. When when a referee conduct a sport alpha futures or margin trade, a certain percentage of the trading fee generated will become a commission. Rewards and the commission period last of 1 year. Valid invitations from the community. Sharing will also earn you commission. And the next is referral data will be updated within 24 hours after a successful invitation. And here is the next. Each users can only sign up through one invitation method. Invites via super commission are not eligible for rewards from other events. And the next is the referral program is not available to users from Belgium, the United Kingdom, France, Germany, the Netherlands, Turkey, the Austria, and South Korea. Gate reserves the final right to interpret the rules, and the rules is also here for you. And now here is the commission ratio. The commission ratio spot your share 30 percentage, and friends you invited share is 10 percentage, and alpha your share 30 percentage, friends you invite share 10 percentage, and the futures your share 20 percentage, and friends you invited share 0 percentage. And the data overview, and here is the referral activity. Referral activity, and alpha 40 percentage, alpha 40 percentage referral rebate. Keep it going. The countdown is also here. The countdown 12 days 8 minutes 29, okay, 12 days 8 hours 29 minutes and 20 seconds is the it is the countdown. And here is the referral activity. Thank you so much everyone for joining my streaming. I am very thankful to all of you guys who are watching me, and also thank you for your kind and appreciating words you dropped in comment section. I am very thankful to all of you, and it's time to say goodbye to all of you. Thanks for joining my streaming. Thank you so much guys.